Hello everyone. Welcome to DS6 Incorporation. Today, I am going to discuss about reading and writing process of the hard disk drive. This is the last part of the discussion about structure of hard disk drive. If you have missed the first and second part of this discussion, then click on the above linked I button or link in the description below. Let's watch the next part of this video to understand reading and writing process of the hard disk drive in details. An object can be magnetized with the north or south pole, or either end. You may already know that the data stored in computer as a series of ones and zeros, which is a machine language commonly known as binary code. But how can we represent a 1 and a 0 magnetically? So, let's check the next part. A bit is the smallest unit of data storage. It can be visualized as a many scale blocks that can be magnetized into a permanent magnet. Every red, blue, or gray block in this picture is a bit. The red blocks have north poles facing up, and the blue blocks have north poles facing down. These are with the computer recognizes as 1 and 0. Gray blocks are the empty bits that are not yet been magnetized. The read-write head assembly has two separate heads: the red head and the write head. The write head is basically an electromagnet with a coil property shaped like this. To direct the magnetic field into a bit, it magnetizes it as it passes by. It can magnetize a bit as a north facing up, or a north facing down, simply by changing the direction of the current in the coil. As you may remember, reserving the direction of current in an electromagnet results a reverse in the direction of the magnetic field. Now, let's check the writing process by the write head of the read-write head assembly. Please try to visualize that the direction of the magnetic field and the direction of the current against the writing ones and zeros. Therefore, I guess you have understood the process of writing by the write head. Next, reading process. Once written, the bits can be read by the read head, which senses the direction of the magnetic field as it goes over the written bit. Now, let's check the reading process by the read head of the read-write head assembly. Therefore, I guess, you have understood the process of reading by the read head. A hard drive, as a whole, looks like this. Both the read head and write head are the tip of the actuator arm. The motor of the disk and the motor of the actuator arm collaborate to align a desire bit with the read head or the write head at any given time to read it or write it. The hard drive keeps the data, even the power is turned off. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. For any question or query, comment in the comment section below.